Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kum Shibanta ka Jingrakhe ka Jingdap ka ba arpsan snam ka Jingshakri jong ba Alexander L. Hack. Kum u MLA ne unong mikmat jong ka Punthoram Kra constituency. Ka celebration committee ka lapalong da ki Jingïakop per kata ki Jingïakop tainya ka Jingïakop shoot jabieng bat ka Jingïakop draw ya ka lapalong Hasin Jerome Higher Secondary School Nong Mensong. Hakini ki Jingïakop balai Shimanta da ki Laipot League School la sakhilang do Reverend Father Lucas Thongni u Balderu Parish Priest jong ka Sacred Heart Nong Mensong Parish belalong kum Kongsan u Reverend Father Pascal Lingdo u Deputy Rangba Shnong u Pak Di Khongla ka President jong ka Nong Mensong Women's Welfare Association ka Kong M Kriem u President jong ka BJP Punthoram Kra constituency u Pak A Nong Dhar bat kiwi.
Please stay on stage. Now please kindly stay on stage. And first, anyone to present the people of special guest. I request Ms. A54 to present. I request Ms. R1.
So, by air heck on achieving this milestone, we are very, very grateful to you. You have been one of the representatives of the people who has really showed your capacity to lend a helping hand and to build the state. In these 25 years, you have performed your role as a legislator and as a representative of the people. Through your expertise, you have been able to solve many problems and achieved many goals for the welfare and betterment of the people of your constituency. Let's not get tired of doing good, because in time we'll have a harvest which we don't give up. This is a letter of St. Paul to the Galatians, chapter 6, verse 9. This is just a reminder for you, Bahek. May God grant you good health and wisdom as you continue to serve your country and your state, and especially for your constituency. For the debaters, the topic that we get today is social media a boon or a bane? No one can say it is a boon or a bane, because the topic has both merits and demerits. It depends upon each one of us how we use it, whether we make it a disadvantage or an advantage for us. Social media has become a very active platform in modern days, in a present generation. The benefits of scientific technology have reached every man, brought the whole world together, where individuals can share their ideas and also opinions. Through social media, we get information, we get entertainment, and we are also making aware of many things, facts and fictions, and many other things that maybe, make us want to do all these things. Crimes and many others also can be seen or posted through the social media. As we are all going to debate on this topic, we must also remember that social media has got great demerits in it. If someone misuses social media, it can create hatred, confusion, it can bring enemies into the world, it can spoil the life and career of the youth and even the elderly people. So, let us listen to what our young debaters has to debate today on this topic: is social media a bane or a boon? We will all listen and we will know. Maybe half of us will raise it is yes, half of us will raise it is no. But we have to put both our hands together to give an answer to this topic today. So I wish all the debaters the very best to all of you. May you do great well. Thank you so much.
Let me take this opportunity to congratulate A.L. Hegg for successfully completing 25 years of serving the people of this constituency. Well, we would like to wish A.L. Hegg all the very best. We would like to wish A.L. Hegg all the very best for the next election as well, and for many more elections to come. A big round of applause once again. Thank you. Well, coming to the competition. Once again, let me introduce my team members. I have with me Hazel Wala, who will be helping me with the score. And I also have Hiroshen, who will be helping me with the slides, the audio-visual round, and as well as keeping track of the time. A big round of applause for them as well, please. Well, as for the competition, we were told that 30 schools are going to participate in this competition. We were amazed. But later on, we got the confirmation that only 23 schools have confirmed their participation. It was a relief, but still, 23 schools, how are we going to conduct the competition on stage? We decided to have a knockout round. Well, what is a knockout round? A knockout round is a rapid fire round with 8 questions for each school within the time limit of 30 seconds. We also have a tiebreaker round if there is a tie between the schools. And yes, the knockout round will be held in one of the classrooms. Well, the process will continue until we get our top 5. And once we get our top 5, we will have the competition on stage. And yes, before I hand over the mic to our host, I would like to wish all the schools participating in this competition today, in whatever competition you are doing, all the very best.
I have a message that it destroys the destruction it interrupts your privacy, and usually it comes in the middle that when you make a decision of e-commerce sites that you want to do this, and in the middle only the ads comes and they used to interrupt your privacy, and they come in the middle and they interrupt your privacy, and literally it influence your decision making.
Catfishing. There are many victims of catfishing. The people who are being catfished, they are being blackmailed to send them money, and if they don't send them money, they will blackmail them to give them that they will spread the private life about their private life or anything that has to do with their private life to the people through social media. Also, they have been hacking cases. We've all heard of hacking cases on Instagram, Facebook, and all these other social media.
Which was the largest empire in India? The Mughal Empire, Mauryan Empire, Maratha Empire, or the Kushan Empire? Time's up. Wrong. Who is the author of Harry Potter series? Any guesses? Okay, Team A. What about Team A? Do you have the answer? Okay, Team B?
J.K. Rowling.
Correct. J.K. Rowling is the author of Harry Potter series. Well done. So in the year 2009, for Best Original Song title, J. Go. Yeah, you can use the microphone. Wrong. Any more guesses? Is it pass then? Okay, what about Team A? Okay, what about Team C? Any guesses? Just take a guess. What about the next team? Okay, the answer is A.R. Rahman.
So friends, I'd like to say a few words on this occasion today. You are being a student. What is the role of a student? Students are futuristic in our society. Today, tomorrow, you will be the leader. Tomorrow, you will be holding the high position in society. Tomorrow, you will be the judges. Tomorrow, you will be in a different field. You will be a principal, you will be teachers, you will be officers at a different level. So friends, our young students, if you want to accomplish your mission and also to reach your vision, the important thing in life is to have a self-respect. The important in our life is without self-respect, self-discipline. If you are not organized yourself, you will not reach anywhere. So therefore I appeal to all of you, to all our young students, our teachers, they are the nation builders. They are building the nation with a mere salary. Still they are studying the life, they are working very hard to ensure, to invite and also to give the best education to our children. So today we have seen our teachers with a very small salary and a very humble salary. But even then, they put all those stones and turn to ensure, to inculcate the best quality to our young students today. But as young students, I'd like to tell you, today, we have so many challenges in our life, but don't take it as a challenges. It is a stepping stone to climb to your future. If you want to reach your goal, if you want to accomplish your vision, these challenges are a stepping stone which you can climb, and tomorrow your future will be there with you. So therefore, I request to all our young students, when you are studying, when you are pursuing your education, the important in your life is, first you have to be a planner. Without planning, you will not be able to reach your goal. Many of us are parents, many of our children, today they just went to school without any planning. They don't see any future. That's why I'm telling you, when you are going to see, when you are pursuing this education, the important thing also you should see where is the demand driven there. The important is which subject to be taken. Why the subject it can be fit in your future in the days to come. That is very important. That's why we said we have to see wherever we go, where is the demand limits are there. That's why we have to choose that subject which will help you in the days to come. So friends, I really once again like to thank the organizing committee for the beautiful program. They have done very well, excellent job, and also very professionally they have done. I congratulate you. And I've seen so many this kind of competition, but I have not seen one of the best competitions which I've seen ever before. So therefore, I'd like to tell also to our young parents, we have seen so many of you have come from the different level, different society, different family. So where your parents are working very hard, and you ensure that when our parents are working, you ensure that we get to meet our ends, the ends of our children, to get whatever it is required in the daily life of our young student today. So therefore, I also request to our students, when you are pursuing your education, you should not see at the back what is going on. You have to go and reach to your goal and reach and accomplish your mission. So I wish all the best to all of you, and I thank you once again to all the parents who are present here. Thank you to your students who are participating in the program. Without you, this program will not be successful.
I am on behalf of all the principals, teachers and students today. Sir, we would like to congratulate you for your service to our people here. We have heard a lot this morning speaking about your service done to our people. So a very great congratulations for your hard work for our people. Sir, with the students and teachers present here, this program was wonderful today. It is not only entertaining, it is also informative as well as formative. This morning, the moderator of the debate mentioned about the courage and the confidence that students gain from this program today. Really needs confidence and courage. This is part of the learning, this is part of education that our students are getting. Nelson Mandela says, education is the weapon which you can use to change the world. Sir, you are showing your interest in our students by conducting these programs as this. We are really happy and we look forward for such kind of programs for our schools, inter-school competitions like this. And we also wish you good luck and success in many more years of your service to our people in this area. Thank you very much. God bless you, sir.
Jingïakop fellow Jubili, he have read but Ula say. Who have read Pidangene, Sayet, the Mat Pibad, and Jingrakhe, Jingrakhe, Pin that hop, but Pular, but Pin to top. Done Rispa, done Duk, can do a pea for rock his Manak step, Ulan withdrawn, Pip Yang Soha, and Jingrakhe. Jingrakhe Shipi one, the Gumbukpa, Picker Run. When we clean the PDM, the bar pickle and seen for them. The yin jong pea, a clearing hung, a born was love, a born was run. On what you love, pin hung the la, what born was your corona. The dark day, Jinglong jong pea. The bar play open county, Pillow Hukum no Samaria, or Betinka, Pensania. Dating star, Joe E. Hebrid, Henry Ublay, down Ibit, the Markata, Kurting Jopi, Skane Junong. Ublay Batum, Kinong Sishar, Ublay Baar, Rajin Bishar. Ninge Degu, Lebayara, Arpo, Sansnem, and Shimlaha. The Don Bashem, Kijinjar, the Neha Bakilanyar, Ikloy Banrap, what Hajima, and Stephen Smith, Miltensina. Dana Mari, Bae Elhek, Iba Long Hukum, Architect, Ila Sandor, Shibon Kikam, Sababha, Umnoyana. Takumbasha, Alexander, Ilong Pusha, Lapan Hair, Kumjupu, Alpolai, a Jingrakhe, a wrong in eye. But in Japan, Hajin Yale, but he have read the ingin yai she born teaching bin shoy in one yang iban ngo in one an what government in Australia with CM Pentir in Rupa Jingïakop tungin pergi makin job makin hangi habadan kam sarkar jangi makin letmi nang ba tadi ditang limba ka BJP kidang pensengat ya jing pergi kumtadan kam yang ni baro ya kajing job bangin pendio in pinti kena mentak kesini in yo rabiang ya kadropi
Now, for the consolation prizes, I will just call out the names of the leads. And then we have Sanjay C from Belmonte Community College. We have one from these prizes in this school. The first prize is this one. Third prize goes to Holy Cross School with 50 points. Thank you, Father. Congratulations, students. Please spend the whole week now. Traditional Kali.